just don't allow the passionate teachers to stay. Especially in the US, you will just suck all the passion out of the passionate teachers because of really corrupt educational systems.
Isaac, laureate of the Da Vinci Institute, a PhD granting university in South Africa.
So what do you hear? What is your voice on this matter of talking about the role of the algorithm and the human algorithm? And maybe some question that you would like to ask to.
Thank you, Prof. Somebody who's good at sports or whatever, they would immediately assume, nah, you're not good at maths, for example. If just in general society, by people looking at you, you see. So it's just, I think it's society outlook on the subjects and the information that is presented.
Do you want to respond maybe to what he was saying? Anything?
Well, I think that it's very interesting how his outlook on things is, because yes, I find it very interesting that he was able to understand the physics and chemistry from his perspective, but he wasn't able to pursue it any further. And I think that his perspective on how schools teach it, they make it difficult they make it seem difficult for anybody other than absolute geniuses or people who look smart, so they automatically assume that if you're good at something else, then you're bad at math or science. I think that is very true, and I think that I have seen it a lot all around, this kind of feeling, this kind of weird feeling where if you're good at something else or you are simply not a big brain genius, you cannot do anything sort of mathematical or scientific or anything like that. And that's a very bad outlook on science, because anybody is supposed to be able to do science. Science is just another kind of form of art. It's observation and imagination. But the thing is, we don't get observation in schools mostly because of underfunding, and we don't get imagination because our teachers aren't creative. So we need more funding from our government, and we need more creative and passionate teachers. And I think we have that, but we just don't allow the passionate teachers to stay. Especially in the US, you will just suck all the passion out of the passionate teachers because of really corrupt educational systems. So I think that that's a very interesting topic, how math and science is seen as only the top people can do. I think that is a very interesting subject and a very true subject. So thank you, Emmanuel, for your thoughts.